I had some time and I'm going through the comments on all my videos, and the one that stuck out the most to me was back when I did this Jeep Cherokee XJ trailer wiring made easy video. And I got to noticing people were telling me this Hopkins wiring kit, they don't make it anymore, which to me is completely, it just don't make no damn sense. But it is what it is. So I got to looking around on the old interwebs here, and I found something that might work for you guys. I can't promise that it's going to be as good as this Hopkins kit. That thing right there was love, man. And for them to discontinue it, I don't get it, man. I was hoping that maybe the Grand Cherokees in the same years would have worked, but I don't know if it will or not. Maybe some of y'all, if you've tried it before, you can let me know. But anyway, there's a website called EVERYDAY-XJ.COM, and it says an upgraded circuit protected taillight converter hardware kit with 4-pole connector and circuit tester. And you can see right here, it says 4 confirmed to fit 96 Jeep Cherokee. So I'm hoping it's something you guys can use, because I know little stuff like this just drive you crazy. Wiring sucks as it is, and I hope it can work for you guys. Let me see here. That's the connector. It looks like you're going to have to splice it in to the factory harness right there where the taillights plug in. But they give you the connectors and everything, and they give you the little tester tool to make sure you did it right, it looks like. And also, if you don't want to go to eTrailer.com, I found the same thing, it looks like, on Amazon. Amazon's got it for $34.17. eWiring's got it for $53.71. So that's, saving $20. Get free shipping if you've got Prime, I think. It's got 4.5 stars out of 5, and there's been, let's see, I don't think it shows how many have been bought, or it's got 22 ratings, 4 unanswered questions. So I feel like this might help you guys out, girls that are trying to get your trailer lighting all squared away. What is this right here? A Reese tow power. We don't care about that. But anyway, here's a good picture. There's the back of the package. It looks to be pretty decent. And if we scroll down here to the comments, got this one guy, Trent. He gave it 1 star. Excuse me. But he didn't tell what he was trying to install it on. And there was one guy down here that had a Jeep Cherokee and said it worked for his older model Cherokee. But anyway, it's in there someplace. I just want to make this video real quick to you guys and say, hey, I haven't forgot about you all. I haven't forgot about the channel. But I have been doing a lot of thinking about bringing this channel back, since I've already got some subscribers and it's already monetized. And I honestly put a lot of work into making the content for this channel, although it wasn't the best content in the world. I mean, I'm no bleeping Jeep, So I'm thinking about rebuilding this channel and not only be Jeep content, and just make it my automotive channel and do any kind of work on any kind of vehicle. Maybe if I find like somebody's got a cool car or something like that, maybe do some review video or do some off-road videos, or just do automotive related content in general. So what do you guys think about that? If you would, leave your comments below, and I'd really love to read them and catch back up with you guys and get this channel back to, where it used to be, which really wasn't much, but but it was something. I really appreciate you guys for sticking by, and I appreciate all the people that keep going to my videos on the Jeep Cherokees and checking stuff out. I really do appreciate it. So with that said, guys and girls, I'll see you in the next video, and there will be a next video.